Taxpayers in Nigeria reach 41 million, remit 4.2 trillion naira. The total number of taxpayers in Nigeria has risen to 41 million, with 4.2 trillion naira remitted to the Federal Inland Revenue Service as of September 30, 2021. This information was revealed on Friday by Executive Chairman of FIRS, Mr. Muhammadu Nami, during the public presentation of the breakdown of the 16.39 trillion naira 2022 budget presented to the National Assembly on Thursday by President Muhammadu Buhari. Our total tax base today is in the region of about 41 million people, and total personal income tax paid last year was less than 1 trillion naira by 40 million people. The Federal Inland Revenue Service chief said, "From a tax perspective and from the figures we shared with the public last year, if we are to be specific about what we are currently doing, we'll discover that we are actually diversifying." FIRS threatens penalty for late filing of tax returns. The Federal Inland Revenue Service has warned that late returns on company income tax beyond November 30, 2021 for the 2021 tax year would attract penalties and interest. In a statement by its chairman, Muhammadu Nami, said the grace period extended for companies to migrate to the new platform for filing returns on CITA for 2021 year of assessment expires on November 30. The service has suspended the imposition of penalty and interest on late CIT returns for 2021 year of assessment in order to support the seamless migration to the use of the Tax Pro Max platform, made mandatory in June 2021. A solution for the payment of taxes and filing of all Naira-denominated tax returns. Taxpayers are by this notice directed to conclude all processes of reconciliation and submissions of their Naira-denominated CITA returns for 2021 year of assessment on Tax Pro Max on or before 30th of November 2021. 2022 budget. Federal government ignores Rivers Lagos VAT rule, target 316 billion naira. Despite ongoing legal tussle over which tier of government to collect value-added tax, the federal government has estimated 316 billion naira as its share of VAT in 2022. The sum is part of what the federal government plans to fund the 2022 budget, according to the details of the appropriation bill. Despite the development, the federal government listed its 316 billion naira share from VAT as part of its share of non-oil taxes that it plans to fund the 2022 budget with. The projected share from VAT is 78 billion naira, more than the 238 billion naira share in the 2021 budget and the supplementary budget of the same year. Still on non-oil taxes, the federal government plans to get 909 billion naira as a share of CIT, 834 billion naira as a share of customs, and 71 billion naira as a share of federation account levies. In all, the government is targeting 2.1 trillion naira from its share of non-oil taxes as against 1.5 trillion naira in 2021.